Hello, I'm going to help some of the question in unit 1. Lesson 1. Equation of the line slope. You have the package in attachment. Okay. Here. The equation of the line, linear line, followed by y equal to mx plus b, where m represents a slope and b here represent y-intercept. And this is a slope intercept form. Example, y equal 2x minus 3 and the slope is 2 and b is negative 3. And this question, y equal 4x, it actually is 4x plus 0, and you can delete 0, eliminate it. Okay, m slope is 4 and y-intercept is 0. And last one, the coefficient of x, slope is 1 over 3, the slope and y-intercept is 2. And slope formula has many different forms. And one of them is m, slope is delta y divided by delta x, or m is rise over run, or m is y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. And in this question, find the equation of the line using the graph below. So we have graph and we want to find the equation of the line. Y-intercept is 3. See, this point is 3. So y-intercept equal to 3. Actually, this is b. And to find slope, we are going to use m slope equal to rise over run. The equation of the line is y equal to mx plus b, and we have b here, b is 3 and m is equal to rise over run. Okay, we select 2 points on the graph. First one is y-intercept, it's easier. You can select any 2 points, but it's better to exactly be on intersection of the grid. And second point on here, you can select point on here. It's going to be same answer after simplifying. And let's start from the point on the left. This point is lefty and this one is right, so you have 2 points. And from point 1, we start from this point and travel to this point. rise over run. In order to get from point 1 to point 2, rise, you have to come 1, 2 unit down. So rise is 2, but because we came down, it is -2. 1, 2, and we need to travel 1, 2, 3 units to the right. -2 over 3. So we know that the equation of the line is y equal to mx plus b. We have a slope, we have m, and we have b. So the equation of the line going to be y equal to m is -2 over 3, -2 over 3, x, write down x, plus b, plus 3. And this is the answer. Okay. Let's go to the next page. And here we talk about other form of writing a slope. A slope is y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. We use this form when we have 2 points. For example, the equation of a line with the coordinate at -2 and 3 and 2 and 5. We want to find the equation of the line. The equation of the line is y equal to mx plus b, but m is y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. We are going to label that. So we have 2 points. The first point, we call this x1. Okay, maybe this one, x1, and -3 is y1, and 2 and 5, 2 and 5. This one is x2, y2. So m equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1, and plug the number. y2 is 5, so we plug 5 minus y1 is -3 minus 3 divided by x2 is 2 minus x1 is here -2, so put it inside the bracket, -2 by root 3, -2. We have double negative here. Negative times negative is positive. So we write down it is equal to 5 plus 3 divided by 2 minus 2 is 2 plus 2. The answer is 5 plus 3 is 8 over 2 plus 2 is 4. We can simplify that. 8 divided by 4 is equal to 2. So we found the slope and m is equal to 2. Now we need to find b. Pay attention here. The only information that we have 2 points. So, and we have a slope. We calculated the slope. Now you can plug one of these points into the equation and find b. Doesn't matter which one, but usually go with the one with less negative. So we make less mistake. So the equation of the line so far is y equal to 2x plus b, and I am going to plug 2 and 5. I'm going to plug 2, 5 into the equation. So instead of y, put 5. So it's going to be 5 equal to 2. Instead of x, put 2. 2 times 2. You can put bracket or plus b, multiplication. Bracket means that 2 times 2. And then you have 5 equal to 2 times 2, 4. 4 plus b. So we want to find b. We isolate b. So move this over. Move 4 to the other side. So as a result, b is equal to 5. This is positive. When we move to the other side, it becomes negative. Because this is 4 plus b. It's not 4 times b. 4 plus b. So move to the other side, become negative. Or you subtract both sides by 4. As a result, b equal to 5 minus 4 equal to 1. So we have everything that we need. We have the equation line. We have a slope 2 and we have b. So again, go equation of the line y equal to mx plus b, and instead of b, plug 1, put 1, x is here. Instead of m, we got 2. We calculated here and we got m equal to 2. Okay, and this is the answer. Find the equation of the line passing through these 2 points, and this is the answer. Last question. Last question, we have a table of value and we want to find the equation of the line. In previous question, we found that in order to find equation of the line, we just need 2 points, because you know that from each 2 points you can draw a line passing through these 2 points. Okay, so I'm going to select 2 points. I'm going to select 1 and 1, x1, y2, x2, y5. So my 2 points is 1, 2, and 2, 5. I'm going to label that this one is x1, 2 is y1, this is point 2, x2, y2. And then we know that the equation of the line is y equal to mx plus b, and we know that m is y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. So we have all here, so we are going to plug the numbers. So m equal to y2 minus y1, y2 is 5 minus 2 divided by x2 is 2, x1 is 1 minus 1. So it's going to be 5 minus 2 is 3, 2 minus 1 is 1. 3 over 1 is equal to 3. So we have a slope m, a slope is equal to 3. So it means that the slope is 3. We need to find b. As I told you before, we are going to plug one of the points into the equation and find b. So I'm going to plug 1 and 2, 1, 2, x1, y2. So equation of the line is equal to y equal to m is 3x plus b, and I'm going to plug 1, 2, 1, 2. Instead of y, put 2 equal to 3. Instead of x, put 1, because we are multiplying or putting bracket. So 2 equals to 3 times 1 is 3 plus b. So this time I'm going to subtract both sides by negative 3. So you see it's the same thing. So we have 2 minus 3 equal to 3 minus 3 is 0. 0. You can put 0 or 0 plus b, or equal 2 minus 3 is negative 1 equal to b. So we have m equal to 3, b negative 1. So write the equation y equal to 3x negative b, negative 1, sorry, because b is equal to negative 1. That's it. Try to do the question yourself, and then anytime that you want, watch the video, pause the video, and try to do it yourself and compare. Good luck.